Metal Cardbot! Defeating the Haley tornado!
It was just a story you made up.
Yeah, I just did whatever came to me at the time, you know?
But why, June?
Oh, yeah? Well, I have a secret weapon that can beat that!
Why did you have to say that?
It was the only way to get out of that situation. Don't worry. I'll think of something starting now.
What are you two talking about?
Vera?
It has nothing to do with you.
Oh, really? Then what's this? There's a thing. We were filming a dance by the docks of Motown when we saw robots fighting and we got it on video. And we saw you two there. What's going on?
Maybe they are guys that looks like us.
That's right. You know they say there are at least 3 people in this world who look exactly like you.
Wearing the same clothes, same hair, and same shoes? You expect me to buy that story? Really?
We're busy, we gotta go!
Hey, stop running!
What do we do? We can't keep running away from them.
We have to figure out how to take that video away from her.
Actually, she could have saved other copies. If she uploads it on the internet, there's no turning back.
Don't worry about a thing. I have a very good plan.
That just makes me feel worse.
Good day, everyone. I would like to talk about the rumors going around regarding a giant robot.
Giant robot?
Yeah. There have been reported sightings of robots in waterways, under highways, and flying above the city. So we would like to reveal the truth about all these robots.
I'm intrigued right now.
Tune in to our live broadcast this evening at 8.
Remember to subscribe to our channel!
What do you think he's gonna say, huh?
I think it may be about that robot that we saw last time.
Really?
Oh no, he got us! I reveal at 8 p.m. today. That fool's trying to sabotage the video that we took of the robots!
So tell me, what do we do next?
I'm not sure yet.
Come on, not again!
June, it's all set up.
Huh? That's awesome!
It's a jet engine from a plane. It's been modified so the wind will be strong enough to blow away a metal cardbot.
You're the best, Uncle Ito! That's great!
Don't call me uncle, I'm not that old.
But what will you do with this?
A special training for you to learn how to defeat Shadow X and its tornado.
Got it, June. Let me have a go first.
Metal breath pick up! Mega Trucker set up!
Okay, let's begin.
All right, setting power to 80%.
Mega Trucker will be harder to blow away since he's heavier than Blue Cup, right?
I'm fine with this little breeze.
Power 90%.
Mega Trucker, open your shoulder shield. You must hang on.
Shoulder shield!
Output 100%.
Still doing good.
All right, Mega Trucker.
This could work against Shadow X for sure!
It's Shadow X.
So you guys are training? Should I let me know? I would have helped you.
This was a rental. You pay for the damages.
That's not my problem. Shall we set the score once and for all?
Mega Trucker, show us your power!
The fool from yesterday, huh? Ha! Spinning glitter!
Look out, Mega Trucker!
You thought I'd come from the front where you have your defenses? Aren't you a real Dumbo?
It's not over yet!
Huh? Quite persistent, aren't you? Let go of me! My propeller! How dare you!
Come back, Mega Trucker! Good job, Mega Trucker. Take a breath. Oh, look up.
Jun, summon me, please.
But you have to...
I want you to.
Well, all right. Metal Bread Pickup! Look up! Sit up!
You again?
As long as I need to fight for justice, I will rise up time and time again.
Oh, how heroic!
Shadow X can't fly anymore. Now it's your chance to shoot him.
All right.
You thought that would stop me from flying? Ha! 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 Yeah! Ha!
No way.
How did he do that?
Coming through! Oh, not too bad. Ha! Let's make things more interesting. Haley Tornado!
Jun, are you alright?
I'm okay, don't worry!
Just hang in there. Let's get out of here for now.
You can do it! Friends trust each other!
Friends?
You got it, my friend! Turn into a police car and run laps around him!
Right?
What is happening now?
Look Up's police car mode has less air resistance, so it's less affected by the wind.
Stop that now!
Keep going faster!
Why are you doing this?
He must consume a lot of energy to create that kind of tornado. He won't be able to last for long.
Its system is overloaded.
Get him now, Blue Cup! Mega Volt Punch!
No way! My Haley Tornado!
You did it, Blue Cup!
A true friend is someone who doesn't give up when it gets tough. Someone you can count on.
Huh. Friends? Huh. Was that what I didn't have? Alright. You win. I will become your underling now.
Not an underling. You're my friend too. Ceiling complete.
Great job.
What are you gonna do now?
About what?
You've forgotten? We're going live in the evening.
Oh no! Roar! Roar! Call! Boom!
Wow!
Whoa! Whoa! Take that! So you see, all the robot sightings were actually made up using custom-made miniatures and special effects, huh?
Hey, hang on! We really saw it. It was a robot as big as a house just flying at us.
Ah, that? Well, take a look.
This robot is a 1-to-1 scale model made to order by a film studio.
What? A model? Huh?
Of course, it's made of styrofoam, so it's very light, you see. It was in storage, but it flew away in the wind. So sorry for the commotion.
So everyone, this was our live broadcast. I saw mystery robots roaming around the town.
Make sure to tune in to our next episode. And please remember to subscribe.
Did you think they would get away with this lies? I will find the evidence no matter what. You better watch out, John.
The dancing dump truck.
Hey, cool move!
Who's that?
Hey, you aren't invited here.
Come on, be a good sport and let me in on the fun! Hey, where did you go?
Save me, brave warrior!
There's no use crying now.
The world belongs to Vance, the evil overlord. Not so soon, evil overlord Vance.
Are you John the warrior?
No! How did he get past our 10 million men?
I will have to teach him a lesson myself.
Take them on, Blue Cup.
Oh, June.
At your service, Princess Anna.
Thank you very much, June.
Princess Anna, one little kiss on this cheek too, please. Hey, Mom. Good morning.
Don't you good morning me. You promised to help out at the restaurant, remember?
Right, I just remembered.
June, here's the cheeseburger.
Yes, Dad.
Table number 2.
I got it, Dad. Hey, here's your cheeseburger.
The coffee here is the best in town. I'm not kidding.
That won't get you a refill, officer. Welcome. June, I think they're here for you.
For me?
Come on in.
Good day, ma'am. Vance and Lavi? What are you guys doing here? What do you mean? This is a restaurant. We're obviously here to eat.
That's not it. Come here, we need to talk.
But I'm... welcome. We have a corner table for 2 right here. What is it then?
It's about the robot that took you away.
What robot? Don't talk to Goy now.
We know what we saw on that bridge over the waterway.
Well, it's...
June, please keep this a secret between us.
secret?
If people of Earth find out about the Metal Cardbots, they will get frightened. I don't want to cause any trouble.
Don't worry, I promise. We're going to middle school next year. It's so crazy! Anna would laugh at us if we were to go around talking about robots. Vance did say that last time.
Oh, shut up! I'm leaving.
But Vance, don't you want to eat first?
Have a good day, lady.
Hey, don't you want a smoothie before you leave?
Yeah, then I can have a strawberry. Maybe next time. Wait up, Vance.
What were they here for?
I have no idea.
A giant robot has been seen at a car park under an overpass last night.
A
We
giant
have footage
robot?
from the black box that has caused uproar on the internet. According to an eyewitness, a dump truck approached him and their friends who were dancing at the scene.
Wow,
Trying
that
to make
video looks so
conversation
real.
and transform
You
into
can do a lot with
robot
CGI
as
these
part of
days.
the dance.
Yeah, it looks like a movie.
I heard the new Max Force movie is coming out soon. Let's say I take you to watch it.
Oh, my dear!
Yes? Oh no!
This is coming out of your pay this month.
Not again!
No doubt about it. That's Mega Trucker.
Right?
I told him so many times to lay low and not try to be seen by the people on Earth.
What are you going to do? This already has 1 million views. It's gone viral.
He won't listen to me anyway. We'll just have to put him under a seal.
A seal?
You can seal a metal cardbot in its metal card using the power of the metal breath. In the meantime, I have to go talk to Mega Trucker once more.
Yeah, but to do that, we'll have to find him first.
Right. Could you procure a large speaker?
A speaker?
I think I have an idea.
I guess I'm awake now. This will be over before school, right?
For this plan to work, we have to do it when no one's watching and while it's quiet. I'll make you coffee if you're sleepy.
I'm too young to drink coffee. Wait, you know how to make coffee?
Mega Trucker loves music. His favorite is Musica Latina. He can't help to dance when he hears that sound.
How about that?
That's perfect. Let's turn up the volume.
All right. Don't you think this is too much?
Not loud enough.
This is just my kind of music! Ha ha!
He actually showed up?
Let me in on the fun! This is great! Step on the gas and let's dance the night away! Yeah!
Mega Trucker, I told you to lay low and not being seen by anyone. Why can't you listen?
You can be boring if you want. I live my life dancing and having fun.
Jun, careful!
Hey, bring the music back!
I can't let you destroy Ito's repair shop.
Who's this kid anyway?
We have lost our home planet and have no choice but to live here. We must learn to live with the natives, like this boy.
Shut up! Don't you tell me what to do ever again!
Blue Cup! Blue Cup! Are you alright?
We have no choice. We'll have to fight him to put him under the seal. Jun! Time has come for us to fight.
So it's come to this. Stay calm. What should I do?
Mega power tackle!
All right. Look out! Look out!
Jun, now!
Blue Cup! Set up!
So you know how to hide!
Thunderbolt smash!
Thunderbolt smash!
Sorry.
You're pathetic. After all that talk, you can't do anything, can you?
Jun, I'm okay. Just give me the next command.
Look up, first shot!
First shot!
Great! First shot, first shot, first shot, first shot! And one last shot! Mega Bolt Punch!
Mega Bolt! Punch! Jun, seal it now!
Now? Alright. Metal Cardbot, Chain Shock! Mega Trucker, seal!
Well done, Jun. You did it.
Mega Trucker really turned into a card.
Yes. It's been sealed in the metal breath as a metal card. You can summon Mega Trucker anytime you want with that card. And give him commands, too.
What's going on? What happened here?
Oh, Mr. Ito!
This is bad.
The mysterious transfer student!
This is Blue Cup. We have not yet found Heavy Iron's vehicle. Resuming patrol from here.
No sign of a large trailer here either. Over. How can such a big guy be so hard to find?
Maybe he has the power to disappear like someone we know.
You too! Now is not time for a break, is it?
Hey, you startled me!
Here, here! Let's go back to the mission! 1, 2, 1, 2, hurry up!
Alright. That nagging little brat.
No complaining!
Everyone, please continue the search, will you?
I heard that science chases away with fortune.
Thank you.
$4.
But I thought it was for free!
It was a joke. Come on. I know how you must feel. We can't find Heavy Iron who defeated Blue Cup. We don't know who the Metal Cardbot who helped us was.
So you're telling me to be patient? That he will turn up on time?
No, I think we should hurry.
Huh?
Looks like it's gonna rain.
I must be going then. Tell them to get inside the garage when they come back.
All right, take care.
Goodbye! Is it really gonna be raining like this? Hey! Watch where you're driving, will ya?
Hey guys, quiet down. Wanna come to my house? We have a new student today. Come on in. Please introduce yourself.
My name's Crest. Nice to meet you all.
Oh, he's so handsome. He'll make my channel blow up.
What are they squealing about, huh?
What do you see in that guy? Am I right, June?
It doesn't matter about how you look. What's important is in the heart. Right, Anna?
But look at that handsome face. Everyone settle down. Let me see. You can go sit behind Vance there.
Thank you very much. You have something cool on your wrist?
Yeah. Let's start the class then. Page 48 of the textbook, please.
Crest, where did you used to live?
In East Polis. We had to move here because of my parents. I don't know my way around here yet. Could you show me around sometime?
Of course!
Anytime.
Awesome. Thanks.
He's already making moves. I so hate that guy.
Watch this.
Watch out!
Oh,
You better be careful, Vance.
How do you know my name?
I memorized the name list of each and every student at this school.
come on, that's a lie.
I'm not lying, Lavi. And Tio behind you. And Anna, Vera, Kate, Elena, Naomi.
Wow, that's amazing!
Just give me back my ball.
Take it from me then.
Come on now.
It went in.
Such a good shot!
Just a little trick I learned.
Hey, Vance, wait up!
Cool.
Did I overdo it?
Not even Vance could do a thing.
So his name is Crest?
You find the new kid suspicious?
There's something about him that doesn't seem right, you know? It's just not normal.
Hey, aren't you just jealous that Anna is obsessed too?
It's not like that! He took an interest in my metal breath, too!
Something does seem a little off.
What are you talking about?
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry. Did we disturb you guys?
Anna, did you bring him here?
Well, of course! Chris has something he must talk to you about.
You should have said something before coming!
Why? You'd just be riding on your bike or something anyway.
This isn't a playground for kids. Get yourselves home now.
But June can stay.
I never gave him permission either. He just barges in regardless.
No, Uncle Ito. You told me I could come hang out anytime.
Oh, that's for sale! You shouldn't touch it!
I'm sorry, I haven't seen a car like this before.
No way, are you serious? There are so many of these cars around here.
Yeah. Chris only moved here not long ago, so it must be new to him.
It looks a lot like the R-48 used in highway patrol, but the shape of the bonnet is so different.
Whoa, Crest! You're an expert on cars too?
This is a custom vehicle. It's being modified according to the owner's requirements.
I see that's why.
Yeah, that's why. But what do you wanted to talk about?
Yeah, I'm sorry, this is sudden, but could you do me a favor?
Just say the word. Chris can have any favor he wants.
That's not up to you to say.
Guys!
What's wrong, Anna?
What is it?
It's the Metal Cardbot from the last time.
The views will be out of this world.
Bring me Blue Cup right now. I know he's here somewhere.
What? Let's just see what it looks like.
Stop. We'll be discovered if we make a move now.
Show yourself right now, you coward.
I'm back. I didn't find any leads either. Isn't that Phoenix Fire? What's going on?
Hello, rescuers! Over here!
Oh, yes!
Get in! Come
But I'm not even hurt.
Just get in for now, okay?
June, aren't you coming?
There's no space for me in there. I have my bike, so I'll go by myself, okay? Tio, take care of them, okay?
Okay, you take care too.
It's our turn, Blue Cup.
What do we have here? Who are you?
My name is Wild Guardy. I'm here to be king of the Metal Cardbots.
King of us? What a joke.
Hang on, Wild Guardy. Weren't you on our side?
Yeah, you helped us in the battle against Heavy Iron, remember?
Don't be stupid. I just wanted to show the riffraff that I'm the one in charge.
What?
You will submit to the one and only Wild Guardy!
Jun!
Metal breath pickup! Look up, set up! Look up! Burst shots!
Burst shots!
Well done!
It is nothing compared to my shield! I suppose that's not all you've got.
Of course not! Look up! Thunderbolt! Smash!
Down! Thunderbolt! Smash!
The Thunderbolt Smash did nothing!
My shield is an invisible shield trained over thousands of years on Machina Planet. Your puny attacks have no effect! Wild
Blue Cup!
Hey, you alright? Jun, hand it to me.
It's no use. None of you are any match for me.
Huh? What did you say?
Blue Cup, are you alright?
Since when have you guys been on first name terms?
Another pesky intruder. Blue Cup, we'll have our showdown next time.
Stop right there!
Blue Cup! Blue Cup, are you alright? Say something, Blue Cup!